Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let's dive straight into today's tutorial about how to use Trello's Advanced Checklist Power-Up. This power-up has some amazing features that can significantly boost your productivity and project management skills. First things first, you need to enable the power-up. Navigate to your Trello board, click on Show Menu, then Power-Ups, and find Advanced Checklist. Click Add to enable it. This is where we tap into the enhanced features of Trello, allowing us to do more than just creating basic checklists. Now that we've done that, let's create an advanced checklist. Click on your card, find the checklist option, and click on it. Name your checklist and hit Add. The reason we do this is to organize our tasks within Trello cards and break them down into manageable parts. Okay, we've added our checklist. Now let's go a step further. Click on the checklist item you've just created, and you'll see a few options pop up. Here, you can set a due date for this specific task, assign it to a team member, or even add a label. This helps us because it ensures that every task is accounted for, deadlines are clear, and responsibilities are assigned. Next up, let's say you want to track the progress of your checklist. Simply click on the checklist name and click Progress Tracking. With this feature, you can visually track how much of your checklist is completed. This is a great way to visually represent the progress of your tasks and see at a glance how much is left to be done. Lastly, you can copy your advanced checklist to another card. Simply click on the dots next to the checklist name and click Copy to Card. Choose the card you want to copy the checklist to and click Copy. This feature is handy when you have similar tasks across different cards or projects, saving you time from having to recreate them. And there you have it. That's how you use Trello's Advanced Checklist Power-Up to its full potential. By leveraging these features, you can take your project management skills to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the key to productivity is not just working hard, but working smart. Catch you in the next tutorial.